Super Slim One-Way Cassette, Living Room, Bedrooms, Showrooms, and all other application. Two capacities of 1.5 and 2 TR for your choose. 185mm thickness for flexible installation application. And it nicely fits into narrow corridors. Lightweight panel can be easily installed by one person. Elegant jasmine white, minimalism and aesthetic. Perfect fits for a variety of ceiling designs. 10 degrees tilt panel. Optimize the wind field. In cooling mode, the horizontal airflow reaches the furthest corners of the room and avoids direct blow. DC inverter fan motor. Strong performance. Efficiency increased by 30% compared to AC models. Standard 600mm lift drain pump meets all installation scenarios. Ceiling height up to 3.5 meters. Super wide angle air supply. Enjoy comfort air. Multi-effect filtration sterilization. Enjoy healthy air. Could be connected with fresh air pipes. Enjoy fresh air. Standard Wi-Fi module can use the HySmart app to achieve remote control on mobile phone. Support the use of room card. Can be well adapted to the hotel and other occasions. Optional human sensor. Enjoy intelligent air.